Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make potato leek soup in Dreamlight Valley. This 5-star recipe is a fantastic way to restore your energy and earn some star coins. We'll go over all the ingredients you need, where to find them, and the straightforward cooking process. Get ready to whip up a delicious and valuable meal for your adventures across the valley. First, let's gather our produce. You'll need 1 potato and 1 leek, both available at Goofy's stall in the Forgotten Lands. Next, head to the Forest of Valor for your onion, which you can also buy from Goofy's stall there. While in the Forest of Valor, keep an eye out for garlic sprouting from the ground. You'll need one of those too. These 4 ingredients are your foundation. Our final ingredient is milk, which you can purchase from Ramai's pantry for 230 star coins. Once you have 1 potato, 1 leek, 1 onion, 1 garlic, and 1 milk, you're ready to cook. Simply approach any cooking station in the valley, place all 5 ingredients into the pot, and let the magic happen. It's that easy to create this wonderful dish. Once cooked, your potato leek soup is a true powerhouse. This 5-star meal restores an impressive 1,984 energy, perfect for long days of foraging and questing. If you prefer to sell it, you'll receive a generous 1,400 star coins. Enjoy this hearty and rewarding dish, keeping your energy levels high as you explore Dreamlight Valley.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.